The Volkswagen Beetle, a timeless symbol of innovation and cultural impact. The Volkswagen Beetle, an enduring symbol of automotive ingenuity, boasts a rich history that dates back to the late 1930s. Conceived by Ferdinand Porsche, the Beetle was envisioned as an affordable and practical car for the masses. Its distinctive rear-mounted engine and iconic round shape made it instantly recognizable on roads worldwide, capturing the hearts of millions and becoming a cultural icon. Over the decades, the Beetle evolved beyond mere transportation, embodying qualities of simplicity, reliability, and timeless design. The story of the Beetle begins in Germany, where it was initially developed as part of Adolf Hitler's vision for a people's car, Volkswagen. The goal was to create a vehicle that was affordable for the average German family, a car that could traverse the country's new network of autobahns. Porsche's design featured a rear-mounted, air-cooled engine, which was innovative at the time. This design choice not only saved space but also improved the car's balance and handling. By 1938, the first Beetles were rolling off the production line, and despite the interruptions caused by World War II, the Beetle emerged as a symbol of post-war recovery and economic growth. By the 1960s, the Beetle had crossed the Atlantic and taken the United States by storm. Its unique design and quirky charm made it a favorite among young people, particularly during the counterculture movement. The Beetle's affordability and reliability were key selling points, but its personality set it apart. It was featured in movies, became a staple of advertising campaigns, and even starred in its own film series, Herbie. The car's rounded, friendly shape and distinctive noise endeared it to many, turning it into more than just a car. It became a cultural icon. The 1998 reintroduction, a celebration of nostalgia and innovation. In 1998, Volkswagen decided to reintroduce the Beetle for a new generation. This new model, known as the New Beetle, was a celebration of nostalgia and innovation. Drawing inspiration from the original Beetle's classic design elements, such as round headlights and smooth curves, the 1998 Beetle seamlessly blended retro aesthetics with modern comforts and safety features. The result was a car that honored its heritage while meeting contemporary standards. The interior of the 1998 Beetle was whimsical and inviting, featuring ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and ample space for passengers. The dashboard was designed to be both functional and fun, with a vase for flowers, a nod to the flower power era that helped make the original Beetle famous. The new Beetle also offered modern amenities such as air conditioning, power windows, and a quality sound system, ensuring a comfortable ride for all passengers. Under the hood, the 1998 Beetle offered a range of engine options to suit various driving preferences. The base model came with a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, providing a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking a bit more excitement, a turbocharged 1.8-liter variant was available, delivering a more spirited driving experience. Both engines offered a responsive and enjoyable ride, excelling in urban environments with nimble handling and a smooth ride. Fuel efficiency was another highlight, with the Beetle averaging between 25 to 30 miles per gallon, making it a practical choice for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Safety was paramount in the design of the 1998 Beetle. It was equipped with advanced safety features such as airbags, anti-lock brakes, and a sturdy frame designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. These features ensured that the Beetle was not only fun to drive but also safe for drivers and passengers alike. The car's unique design and customizable options resonated with enthusiasts worldwide who embraced its blend of nostalgia and modernity. From its origins as the people's car to its triumphant return in 1998, the Volkswagen Beetle remains a timeless classic. Its unique design, cultural significance, and the joy it brings to its owners have cemented its place in automotive history. Today, the Beetle continues to captivate collectors, enthusiasts, and everyday drivers. Its legacy lives on as a symbol of automotive ingenuity and a testament to the enduring power of iconic design. The Beetle's journey from a utilitarian vehicle to a beloved cultural icon is a remarkable story of innovation, resilience, and adaptation. Its ability to evolve while maintaining its core identity is a testament to its timeless appeal. Whether viewed as a symbol of post-war recovery, a representation of 1960s counterculture, or a nostalgic nod to the past, the Volkswagen Beetle's impact on automotive history and popular culture is undeniable. Its story is one of success, a car that truly embodies the spirit of the people it was designed to serve.